We are at the end of round 17 and we will continue to round 18. This is our last 8 chains. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, and then we fill in this loop with 3 double crochet cluster. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet cluster. Continue with 2 chains and 1/2 double crochet, join on top of our first cluster, and we continue with 3 chains, 2 double crochet for cluster. This is the first cluster of round 18. Now we continue with 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, and go to the pineapple loop for 1 single crochet. 4 chains, 2, 3, 4, and 1 single crochet into pineapple loop, and continue with 5 chains. Go to the cluster loop for 3 double crochet cluster, four chains, and another 3 double crochet cluster into the same loop. Okay, now we start this special pattern, I say, with 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, and 1 double crochet, 1, 2. So we do it here. 1 double crochet, 3rd chain. Okay, and then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, 1 double crochet next to the other double crochet, okay, the V shape, and then 4 chains, and we will do 1 double crochet here, this loop, the first chains area, and 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and go to the same loop beside the first, the double crochet, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to this, go to the second chains area for 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and 1 more double crochet at the corner beside the double crochet, the V shape, 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go to this big loop, 1, 2, 3 at the 4, 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 beside the double crochet, 1 double crochet. Okay, this is the shape. Now we have our last 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we fill in the loop, the cluster loop, with 3 double crochet cluster. 4 chains, 2, 3, 4 and another 3 double crochet cluster. Okay, this is the pattern. Now we go for 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chains, and then we go to the pineapple loop for single crochet, 4 chains, pineapple loop for another single crochet. Okay, 5 chains, 3, 4, 5. Fill in the cluster loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, 3, 4, and another 3 double crochet cluster into the same loop. And then we will continue to this special pattern with 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 double crochet. We skip this loop, go to this loop, the first single crochet and the first chains area with 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and then go to the same loop for another double crochet to form the V shape, and then 4 chains, go to the other loop but the other side, just go to the second chains, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and go to the corner for 1 double crochet. V shape here, V shape here. Okay, just place it here, 2 V shape, and then 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just fill in this loop with 3 double crochet cluster, and 4 chains, and another 3 double crochet cluster into the same loop. Okay, see here, and then we start here with 6 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just go to the pineapple loop for 1 single crochet, 4 chains, pineapple loop for 1 single crochet, and then 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you can continue with the same pattern. Okay, just continue with this pattern. This pattern along to the end, and I will see you at the end. We are at the end of the other side of row. This is row 18. Now we will do the special pattern, and this pattern will go to the other side. So when you reach the other side, you will do the same or do this pattern. 5, we start with 5. After filling the cluster, we will start with 5 chains, 3, 4, 5 at this area. Okay, 5 chains, and then we do 1 double crochet, 1 2, we'll place it here. 1 2, place it between the 2 and the 3 chains, the first one, and then 3 chain space and 1 more double crochet to form the V shape. Okay, and then another 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5. We will go to this loop, the other loop, go to the second chain area. I'll show you. 1 double crochet, first, second, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and 1 more double crochet into the same loop side by side to form the V shape. Later on you can do it this way, okay? And then 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 chains, and we go to the third loop, the third and the fourth. We will place it in the middle, okay, in the middle of the loop. For 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and another 1 double crochet in the same loop, okay, the V shape. 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and then we have 1 double crochet into next loop in the middle, 3 chains, and 1 more double crochet in the same loop for the V shape. 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and after the middle we will do it close to the end here. 1 2 3, okay, the third chains from behind, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, and do 1 more double crochet side by side, 5 chains, and then we'll come to this loop, do it on the fourth, 1 2 3 4, oops, 1 double crochet, 1 2 3 4, 3 chains, and 1 more double crochet for the V shape, 5 chains, 3 4 5, and fill in this loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, and another 3 double crochet cluster. Here 5 chains, and you should continue with the pineapple and with continue this side with the same pattern like the other side, okay? And this pattern you do it at the end, okay? I will see you at the end after you do this special pattern, and I will see you there. We are at the end of row 18. We will just finish it and we'll proceed to row 19. I hope you have already filled in like this, yeah, the same pattern like the other side. Then this is our last 2, 4, 5 chains, and we will fill in the loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 3 double crochet cluster, the last 3 double crochet cluster, and we will join with the first cluster with, after 2 chains, with 1 half double crochet on top of it. Continue with 3 chains and 2 double crochet for cluster. This is the first cluster. Okay, this is row 19. 5 chains, go to the top of pineapple for 1 single crochet, 5 chains, fill in the cluster loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, 4 chains, and another 3 double crochet cluster into the same loop. Okay, and here we will start our pattern with 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will fill in this loop, this triangle loop with 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then continue with 5 chains, 4, 5, and fill in this loop with 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 double crochet, 5 chains, 4, 5, and fill in the loop again, 5 double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 5 double crochets again, 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, fill in the loop again, 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 chains again, 3, 4, 5, and we fill in the cluster loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, and another 3 double crochet cluster in the same loop. Okay, this is the pattern. And we will go for 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go to the top of the pineapple for 1 single crochet. 5 chains, 3, 4, 5. Fill in the cluster loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 4 chains, 3, 4, and another 3 double crochet cluster, 2, 3, and then we come to this area. We have 5 chains again, and fill in the loop, the V-shaped loop, with 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chains, 3, 4, 5. Fill in the loop, the V-shaped loop, with 5 double crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chains, and fill in this cluster loop with 3 double crochet cluster, 2, 3, 4 chains, and another 3 double crochet cluster in the same loop, 2, 3. Okay, here, okay, see, 1, 2. The third one we will go for 6 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then we go for 1 single crochet on top of the pineapple. 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will let you continue to fill in the cluster, and you just continue with the same pattern. Okay, here 6 chains, and here just continue like this. So this pattern will come to this pattern. Okay, so we have 2 loop, 1, 2, 4, 5 double crochets with 5 chains in between, and go along up to the end. I will see you there. We are at the end of the other side of round 19. Now this is the end. I would like to show you what we should do. This is very easy. After fill in the cluster, we will have 7 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains, and then we fill in the loop with 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 double crochet into loop, and we will do the same with 5 chain space, 5 chains, and go into the loop again for 5 double crochets. 5 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fish shape, we will fill in 5 double crochet and 5 chain space, and then we fill in 5 double crochet like again, five chain space, and you just continue to fill in with 5 double crochet, 5 chain space, and don't forget that the last one will be 7 chains, okay? And you do this pattern to the other side, and I will see you there to continue for row 20.